Hello everyone, I am Jinesha, Dance Secretary at BRCA. I would like to present before you my statement of purpose for the post of General Secretary BRCA. Being the dance techie, I had organized several competitive and non-competitive events. At inter-college level, 3 inter-hostel competitions were organized with several different dance workshops and dance classes. I have conceptualized a dance teaser making competition for the first time. I had also organized a 2-day long dance workshop by international dance group Kings United. During the COVID lockdown, free virtual Zumba and Bollywood dance classes were also organized. In Rendezvous 2019, we had organized 7 competitions at inter-college level, including our Pride Kaleidoscope. I was the dance representative of my hostel in my second year, and being the part of my hostel team, I had led my team to 3 podium finishes at inter-hostel level. I am an active member of Western Dance Society of IIT Delhi, which is redefined, and being a part of the team, I have represented IIT Delhi in many different inter-college competitions over the past 2 years and have secured 10 plus podium finishes in those competitions. So based on the experience and the insights which I have gained during my participation in BRCA for the past 3 years, I have a detailed plan as to what we shall do in order to increase and maintain the spirit of BRCA. First of all, as we all know that the upcoming semester is online, so I would coordinate with the club secretaries to restructure all the club activities and competitions in accord with the online mode. It is also quite important to maintain the culture and legacy of each club, and the rigorous practice sessions that we had in the offline mode won't be possible online. So high importance will be given to conducting online workshops and classes so that the club members could develop their skill set and be prepared to represent IIT Delhi and their clubs externally. Freshers participation will be quite a challenge in the online mode, so I would like to introduce a freshers leaderboard, hostel-wise as well as club-wise, where freshers will be given points not only for winning an event but also for participation in events and workshops. This will not only encourage them to participate in the events but would also help in instilling hostel spirits amongst them. Talking about freshers, online BRCA showcase will be held instead of BRCA orientation, with each club presenting their clubs via videos and graphics of their club activities, and clubs like Quizzing and Lit could conduct live quizzes via online platforms. Informal events will be frequently organized, and art forms like stand-up comedy and DJing will be encouraged by organizing events like open stages. Also, there are a lot of events and trends going viral nowadays, so we could adapt the themes of such popular events in our BRCA events. For example, IPL theme, where auctions could be conducted to form teams. This would help to increase the engagement of each event. Instagram pages of RTV and BRCA, although recently formed, remains quite inactive throughout the year. We could conduct weekly or bi-weekly live events through the RTV Insta page, where we could invite artists to perform or even to conduct a podcast. I would propose to frame a BRCA team in events, publicity, technical and content domains. These teams will be responsible for organizing the live sessions on our Insta pages, keeping the page active by actively posting achievements of our members, schedules of the upcoming events and vlogs. Also, revampation of our BRCA website is needed, which would be done by our technical team, along with maintaining and updating it on a regular basis. Having made a technical team, I would like to propose a BRCA app. This would be a platform for many opportunities, and many features could be added to the app, with some basic ones like calendar and notification feature for the upcoming events, leaderboards, or giving shoutouts to winner of various events. Also, an event section could be designed where events like quizzes could be held. Other features might include gallery and feedback sections. Coming to Rendezvous, keeping in mind the current situation, an online rendezvous would be conducted with online competitive events and podcasts and performances of artists through live streamings and Insta Lives. A board meeting with cultural and club secretaries and the panel members will be conducted every 2 months to discuss the proceedings and the feedbacks of the club. This would ensure better communication and would also ensure better accountability of all the position holders. Lastly, it is difficult for a newly elected SECI candidate to get hold of the billing process in the initial phase of their tenure. Hence, a session to guide the SECIs with this procedure will be organized and the entire procedure will be documented for further use. This is to ensure that the procedure does not remain an obstacle for them in implementing their plans. Online events, along with some drawbacks, have their own benefits. Participants won't be restricted with respect to their geographic location, and people from all over the globe could participate in our events. We should see this as an opportunity and try our best to capitalize on it. So these are some reforms and improvements which we can do to the existing framework for motivating and fostering culture within ITD during these testing times of COVID and even post-COVID. I believe these innovations are a must in the present times. So if you would like to see these plans come into action, please support me in the upcoming elections of General Secretary BRCA. Thank you. Peace.